Good morning, guys. A 3D printed rubber band powered car.
Hi guys, printed this one last night. It's a rubber band powered car. Works on the same principle as those old cotton reels with a rubber band going through them and an arm sticking off one side. What you do is you stick some rubber bands down through there, round a little post that goes across there and back again. So as you wind it up, it is just like winding up the cotton reel. The rubber band twists in there because it's held there and it's held there. So as you turn it, this bit doesn't turn, that bit does turn. So you're winding the rubber band up inside. And then when you release it, obviously, it goes back the other way. Now, this is one of those print in place ones, so I've had to keep moving it a little bit to loosen up the little bits that stick when it's printed. And it seems to be nice and free now. Not perfectly free, but certainly nice and free. Might have to run it on carpet to get it running. There's a stiff bit there somewhere. Anyway, I will get some rubber bands and see what we can do. We need something to push through. So I've got this bit of wire, something to push through one way or the other to pull the rubber bands through and hook them over the various places, or hook them over here first, pull them through there and slide the peg through one way or the other. So I'll go and get some rubber bands and we'll give it a try. To be honest, if we just get it to spin, I'll be happy. The guy's got a whole series of these, all different cars. So there'll be links in the video description to the Thingiverse files, so you can download them and have a go yourself. I just like the concept. Yeah, the idea is these hook over here. And then you've got to pull them through. We'll do it with just one for demonstration purposes. You've got to pull them through. I've only got hold of one of them there. Where's the other one? Right, got them both. Yeah, pull them through, push the peg through. And then unhook yourself somehow. And then, as I say, as you wind it up, so you want them to go backwards to wind it up, so that's going to be that way. So you can see this side is turning round, twists are building inside. Yeah, but I'm not getting enough. He says 4 rubber bands for on a smooth surface and up to 8 rubber bands on a rough surface like carpet. Yeah, at the moment we're getting nothing, no feedback at all. So let's unwind that again and see if we can get 4 through. No doubt it's one of these things with proper hobby grade rubber, it would go much better. At the moment, we're not going anywhere. And you can see this is rubbing away there. So the more we do this, the better it's going to get. I think we'll come back later. I'll carry on doing this. And if I get a success, we'll see if we can catch it on film. Oh, one of the rubber bands is just broken. Several of them are broken. Oh well, that's not good. Probably need better quality rubber bands. All right, I will try lubricating it, see if that will help, and we'll come back later. All right, I gave it a good spray with silicone oil. Just got 2 rubber bands on there at the moment. And we do have movement. I expect we'll get wheel spin too. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to have to find a little bit of carpet, I think, so it's got a chance of gripping. I reckon we could have probably just gone with 1 rubber band. Yeah. Let's go and find a little bit of carpet. I'm going to take one of those rubber bands off. Right, just 1 rubber band now. Oh, yes. So there we go, a rubber band powered car. Well lubricated. Oh wow, that went for miles then. Success. So it needed lubrication. That was the main difference. And just 1 rubber band's enough. Excellent. Didn't expect that. Summary time. It works. I don't think we're going to get great distances with it, not with cheap rubber bands anyway. And it worked a lot better when I lubricated it with silicone spray oil. That loosened it all up. So yeah, it works. That was my just bent bit of wire to help me hook the rubber bands through. As I say, I expect if you tried hobby grade rubber from model aeroplanes, you'd probably get a better distance. We were doing about, I don't know, 2 meters, maybe 3 meters maximum. With a single rubber band, and I was using this stuff just to give me a bit of grip to get started, because otherwise it had wheel spin if I wound it up to the maximum. Yeah. Check the video description for the links. Lots of lovely detail on it. This is a Chevy truck. There's a whole range. did take quite a while to print. I was going to print it on high quality. That would have taken 19 hours on my printer. So I printed it on standard quality, which was about 7.5 hours, something like that. And standard quality seems to be fine.